Hey everyone, if you want to turn a simple text prompt into a complete video using AI, InVideo makes the process fast and beginner-friendly. In this video, I'll show you how to convert text to video in InVideo from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the InVideo website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the AI video generator or text-to-video feature. This is the tool that allows you to create videos using written prompts. Next, enter a detailed description of the video you want to create. For example, you might describe a product promotion, educational tutorial, travel video, business presentation, or social media advertisement. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the generated video will be. Include information about the topic, style, tone, audience, scenes, and visual preferences. For the best results, write detailed prompts, review all AI-generated content carefully, and customize the video to match your goals and audience. And that's how to convert text to video in InVideo in 2026. With AI-powered video generation, you can transform simple ideas into professional videos in just a fraction of the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.